1. 1935 Ford Factory 5 Hot Rod Truck. Price: $67,900. Located Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1935 Ford Factory 5 Hot Rod Truck is a modern high-performance build that perfectly blends classic truck styling with advanced engineering and contemporary reliability. Built in 2021 and titled as a 2021 vehicle, this truck offers the look of a vintage hot rod with the benefits of modern components and low mileage. With only 990 miles driven, it remains in excellent condition and presents as a near-new custom build ready for the road or show. Under the hood, this truck is powered by a Ford Racing 5.0-liter Coyote Illuminator crate engine, delivering impressive horsepower and smooth performance. The engine is paired with a 6R80 performance automatic Ford transmission, providing seamless shifting and dependable operation. This combination ensures a powerful yet refined driving experience. The drivetrain includes a Moser 8.8-inch rear end and a 3-link rear suspension with a Panhard bar, offering excellent stability and handling. Cooling is managed by a Griffin aluminum radiator, while an in-tank fuel pump supports efficient fuel delivery. Additional features include Wilwood braking components, Autometer Platinum gauges with a GPS speedometer, LED lighting, and a chrome tilt steering column. This Factory 5 truck runs flawlessly and delivers a perfect balance of modern performance and classic hot rod appeal. 2. 1937 Ford. Price: $32,500. Located St. Louis, Missouri. This 1937 Ford is a clean and well-built classic hot rod that combines traditional styling with upgraded mechanical components. Presented in like-new condition, this vehicle reflects a high level of care and craftsmanship, making it a strong choice for enthusiasts seeking a dependable and visually appealing vintage build. Its classic body lines and refined stance give it a timeless presence that stands out in any setting. Under the hood, this Ford is powered by a flathead engine, maintaining its authentic vintage character while delivering reliable performance. The engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission, offering improved drivability compared to older setups. This combination allows for smoother cruising and better performance on modern roads. The vehicle is built on a Bowling Brothers frame, providing a solid and well-engineered foundation. This upgraded chassis enhances overall strength, stability, and ride quality. While many details are not fully listed, the build is described as extensive, indicating numerous additional upgrades and custom touches throughout. This 1937 Ford runs and drives well, offering a balanced blend of originality and modern usability. It is a great option for collectors or drivers looking for a classic hot rod that delivers both style and performance. 3. 1933 Ford Model BB Hot Rod Truck. Price: $21,995. Located Mt. Zion, Illinois. This 1933 Ford Model BB Hot Rod Truck is a well-built custom vehicle that blends classic truck styling with modern performance and comfort features. Finished in a gray exterior with a tan interior, this truck presents a clean and balanced appearance that suits both cruising and show environments. With a clean title and no significant issues, it is ready to be enjoyed immediately. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing strong and reliable performance. This combination ensures smooth power delivery and ease of driving, making it suitable for a wide range of uses. The drivetrain is designed for dependability, allowing the truck to perform well on both short trips and longer drives. The interior is equipped with vintage heat and air, adding comfort in various weather conditions. This feature enhances usability, making the vehicle more enjoyable year-round. The fiberglass body contributes to reduced weight while maintaining durability and a classic appearance. This Model BB truck runs and drives great, offering a practical and stylish hot rod experience. It is a solid choice for enthusiasts seeking a dependable and well-equipped classic truck. 4. 1937 Chevrolet Low Cab. Price: $18,000. Located Lebanon Junction, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Low Cab is a classic hot rod truck that combines a simple and clean build with dependable performance. Presented in like new condition, this vehicle offers a straightforward and functional design that focuses on drivability and classic appeal. Its low cab configuration gives it a distinctive stance that enhances its vintage character. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 small block engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. This setup provides reliable performance and smooth operation, making it a great option for cruising and everyday driving. The small block engine is known for its durability and ease of maintenance, adding to the practicality of this build. The truck is built to run and drive well, offering a solid driving experience without unnecessary complexity. This clean condition suggests that it has been well maintained and cared for. This Chevrolet is a great option for enthusiasts looking for a simple, reliable, and stylish hot rod truck that delivers classic looks with proven performance. 5. 1936 Ford Slantback Hot Rod. Price, $20,000. Located Marion, Ohio. This 1936 Ford Slantback Hot Rod is a one-of-a-kind custom build that combines aggressive styling with serious performance upgrades. Finished in a striking metal flake gold and black exterior, this car delivers a bold visual impact that reflects its custom Hot Wheels-inspired design. The body has been chopped and channeled, giving it a low and aggressive stance that perfectly complements its wide rear setup. Under the hood, this Ford is powered by a 396 big block Chevy engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. With only low miles on both the engine and transmission, the drivetrain offers strong performance and reliability. The vehicle is equipped with a custom frame and features a 9-inch rear end, ensuring durability and traction. The suspension includes a Mustang II style front end with coil-over springs and rack and pinion steering, providing improved handling and control. Four-wheel disc brakes enhance stopping power, making the car safer and more responsive on the road. Inside, the vehicle features all new gauges including a GPS speedometer and a custom shifter. This hot rod runs strong and delivers an intense driving experience, making it ideal for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and unique classic. 6. 1936 Ford Pickup Gasser. Price, $38,000. Located Castellian Springs, Tennessee. This 1936 Ford Pickup Gasser is a fully restored all-steel truck that combines classic hot rod styling with strong performance upgrades. Finished in a black exterior with a matching black interior, this truck presents a clean and aggressive look that reflects its high-quality frame-off build. With no rust and numerous new components, it stands as a well-preserved and carefully constructed custom vehicle. Under the hood, it is powered by a small block Chevy 355 engine equipped with double hump heads, roller rockers, and a performance camshaft. This setup delivers strong power and a distinctive sound. The engine is paired with a world-class 5-speed manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. The drivetrain includes a 410 Posey rear end, providing excellent traction and acceleration. The truck also features a polished aluminum radiator and numerous chrome components, enhancing both performance and visual appeal. Inside, the vehicle is equipped with a custom alligator-style interior and updated gauges, along with a stainless steel steering column. This pickup runs very strong and is a standout example of a classic gasser-style hot rod. 7. 1940 Chevrolet Pickup. Price, $40,000. Located Coatesville, Indiana. This 1940 Chevrolet Pickup is a heavily customized hot rod that combines classic truck design with modern high-performance upgrades. Finished in a gray exterior with a red interior, this truck presents a bold and eye-catching contrast that highlights its custom build. The body has been chopped, giving it a lower and more aggressive stance. Under the hood, this pickup is powered by a modern LS2 engine producing approximately 430 horsepower. This engine provides impressive performance and reliability, making the truck both powerful and enjoyable to drive. It is paired with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and consistent power delivery. The build features extensive custom work throughout, with numerous modifications that enhance both performance and appearance. While not intended as a show-only vehicle, it is designed as a fun and capable cruiser that can be driven and enjoyed regularly. This Chevrolet pickup runs strong and offers a unique blend of vintage styling and modern performance, making it a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a custom hot rod with serious power. 8. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price, $35,000. Located Woodstock, Illinois. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a high-end custom build that combines classic hot rod styling with modern performance upgrades and premium craftsmanship. Acquired from an estate, this vehicle represents a carefully constructed project that was completed over time with attention to detail. With extremely low miles showing on the odometer, it presents in near-new condition and stands out as a rare opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, this coupe is believed to feature a 383-stroker small-block Chevy engine equipped with performance cam, roller components, and gear drive system. It is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering strong and consistent power. The drivetrain also includes a Currie rear end, contributing to durability and performance. The body has been chopped and refined with shaved lines and remote electric suicide doors, enhancing its sleek and aggressive profile. Additional features include power windows, a hydraulically operated trunk, and a fully detailed finish that reflects its high-quality build. This 1934 Ford offers impressive performance, modern convenience, and classic styling, making it a standout hot rod that is ready to be driven or showcased. 9. 1929 Ford Model A Roadster. Price, $15,500. Located Elyria, Ohio. This 1929 Ford Model A Roadster is a fresh custom build that delivers a clean and simple hot rod experience with reliable performance. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior, this Roadster offers a classic look combined with modern mechanical upgrades. With low miles since completion, it remains in excellent condition and is ready to be enjoyed immediately. Under the hood, it is powered by a mildly built Chevy small block engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This setup provides dependable performance and smooth operation, making it ideal for cruising. The drivetrain is designed to offer a balance of power and reliability without unnecessary complexity. The vehicle features a lightweight roadster body that enhances driving feel and responsiveness. Its straightforward build makes it easy to maintain while still delivering the classic hot rod character enthusiasts expect. This Model A Roadster runs and drives great, offering a fun and engaging driving experience. It is a great option for those looking for an entry-level hot rod that combines classic style with proven mechanical components. 10. 1937 Chevrolet Pickup Street Rod Rat Rod. Price, $30,000. Located Maryville, Tennessee. This 1937 Chevrolet pickup is a fully built street rod that blends rat rod attitude with solid engineering and dependable performance. Finished in a flat black exterior, this truck features an aggressive and purposeful appearance that reflects its custom build. With minimal miles on the build, it remains in excellent condition and is ready for both cruising and shows. Under the hood, it is powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch small block Chevy engine paired with a T5 manual transmission. This setup provides strong performance and an engaging driving experience. The drivetrain is supported by a professionally built chassis constructed from heavy-duty tubing, ensuring strength and durability. The suspension includes a Mustang 2 front end with upgraded stainless steel control arms and a Versailles disc brake rear setup. Power steering and Hydrovac brakes enhance drivability and safety. Additional features include a new wiring harness, power windows, stainless steel exhaust, and a steel bed with hidden release tailgate. This truck runs strong and delivers a raw yet refined hot rod experience. 11. 1932 Ford 2-Door Sedan. Price, $42,999. Located Grand Tower, Illinois. This 1932 Ford 2-Door Sedan is a beautifully built custom hot rod that combines classic styling with modern performance and comfort features. Finished in a vibrant red exterior paired with a custom tan interior, this vehicle presents a clean and eye-catching appearance that reflects its high-quality build. With only a few thousand miles driven, it remains in excellent condition and has been well maintained throughout its life. Under the hood, this sedan is powered by a strong 400 small block engine that has been bored for increased performance, delivering impressive horsepower. It is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission with overdrive, providing smooth shifting and improved highway drivability. The drivetrain also features a 355 Posey traction rear end, ensuring solid acceleration and stability. The vehicle includes a range of modern upgrades such as cold air conditioning, power windows, tilt steering, and a backup camera. Inside, it is equipped with a Kenwood sound system and a hidden subwoofer, adding comfort and entertainment to the driving experience. This 1932 Ford runs and drives exceptionally well, offering both power and refinement. It is an ideal choice for enthusiasts looking for a fully built classic that can be enjoyed on the road or at shows.